45 seconds of two freaking logos, as usual.
Quantonium.
I see what looks like Earth and outer space.
Holidays. Christmas. Easter. Hanukkah.
Halloween, Kwanzaa.
Food.
It would feed.
Like Thanksgiving.
I'm British! Oops, let's pretend we didn't see that.
You are the meal.
You the...
My name's Nightmare.
You don't get it.
They're fat.
You know I'm fat. You know it. So they can
Feed.
With the COVID, with dealing with.
I did not have sex.
Okay, so that.
How many white children?
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this
Turkey.
And there's a cow and a chicken, and that's Paul.
It's no longer some Bill O'Reilly meme.
That's a bald guy who likes my daddy.
Substantially less than 1 million years later.
The BBC is.
Hey. You're kidding.
previously on
Total Drama Island.
What is this?
What is this?
Now watch this drive.
Don't cry for me. I'm already dead.
he becomes
Woman.
Man, you are not entertained. Do you need
Sex.
right now?
I do.
no form of sexual depravity is too low for me.
Well, we can save the day with
Fingers! Yes!
That looks way better than corn.
Nah.
call
0800 303 3080
Somebody.
Pizza Man.
$1,000,000 pesos.
El Solo Lobo.
I don't know what that means.
Ow, my eye.
This is your destiny.
Those are some...
Angry Bird.